Water is an inspiration.
We are made by water.
And exactly, we're 85% water, so we always want to go back to the sea. Lying naked on the floor, you're bleeding all. You know, I come from Tel Aviv. The sea is everywhere in Tel Aviv. And I guess when I started traveling, when I left Tel Aviv when I was young, and so I moved to countries, to cities with no sea at all. What a funny way to go, in such a lovely weather. You know, I like small rooms, and I close the window, and I close the shades, and I close the lights. So I kind of like to be isolated, especially when I write whatever it is that I'm writing. Nature is always nice to kind of renew your batteries, but don't believe anybody who tells you they're taking their guitar and they go to nature and they write a song under a tree. Or you know what, maybe some people do, but I don't. Burn out a bang with a verse nobody sang in the song of you and me. Didn't make it. I think the sound of Tel Aviv is very chaotic, if I have to find a word, because it's a very chaotic, it's a very interrupted city, very quickly and in kind of quick patches. In Tel Aviv, you always hear like a sewing machine sound, in a way, of things happening. I guess that's what it is. Be a good lover, the thing you'll discover, you're more than the sum of your parts. Don't think you know how it ends, 'cause you know how it starts. Europe is very old, you know, Milano is very old. Every village you go to in Europe is old. Tel Aviv is very new. So people who came from Europe built European architecture later to find out that it maybe was not the best. So it's a hectic city, and I think the sound of it is pretty much improvised hectic. You're so fucking great. Don't over-prepare and take better care of yourself. Care of yourself. Thank you.